that tear right there? It sure did.
Oh, really?
Is that shingle tearing when you lift up?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, look at it right here.
Yep. Okay. Close up of that tearing.
I barely touch it. It tears.
Yep. And then also right in here. Okay.
Tears right there too.
Yep. Okay. Oh, yep. Being gentle, and then how about this glue strip? You see a material transfer on it from the previous?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah. That's not gonna reseal?
Not at all.
Okay.
I mean, once I get, I can't even use this necessarily unless I take the second shingle off here.
Sure.
Yeah, just look at that. Look right here. Look at that.
Yep.
You see that? You got moisture. It's all wet too.
Okay.
Like, look at this piece.
Yeah.
It just ripped right off.
You see? Can I put it again? Lift that up. Thank you. And then let's look at this shingle here. It's creased right there. We are using the roof snake. Get a shot of that. Here, turn it to the side so we can see the branding on it. There we go.
Yeah, look at this right here. Here's a good picture for you.
Yep. Show it to me in the video. Oh yeah.
That's just from sliding it up under.
Gently.
Looking for the nail.
There too.
Yep. And then it rips on the shingle right there.
Yep.
Bring the rip snake up, even rips it. Yeah, that one right through.
Yep.
And then when you bend the shingle,
Yep.
you get this wrecked. Just look at that.
Yeah, and then we get up to the ridge and okay. Take a look at the condition of that shingle. Thank you.
And then this is the aftermath.
Clearly torn here.
set of shingle.
Here.
And
This
look
is
at
the
that.
shingle that we're supposed to reuse
They're hard, yeah. So,
in an attempt to do the repair on all of these. Okay. So dealing with a suspected discontinued shingle. This was the OC Supreme Desert Tan that came back as the suggested. And if we look at the way that this lines up, that'd be a little offset pattern, obviously. And yet,
stagger.
we still have a gap.
Yeah, you got. So where your seal strip is here, you match that there. Right where it should be. And you got a disc that can't go behind these. But that's where it should be, right there.
Okay.
See if you got your strip, your nail strip, more hanging. And then we got this gap here.
Yeah. You suspect that the existing shingle, even obviously repairing this other one, is the glue will
No, this is
reseal?
no. No, because this will prevent it from resealing.
All the way up. Correct.